Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to talk about my TNA trade that's expiring this June 18th. It's a cash secure put for income trade. And if you've been watching what I've been doing, I've been selling some of my dividend paying funds, taking that amount of money, and then doing a cash secure put on one of my favorite 3x leveraged ETFs or sector trades. TNA being one that I've already used many times. We started doing this March 27th, largely because the high-yielding dividend-paying funds like Top W were just eroding to the point where I just felt like I was losing my money. Now, I understand that I'm taking that money that Top W pays me and I'm paying the bills. We get that. So I understand the risk, and I understand that if I'm spending that money in retirement, my Top W investment is going to NAV erode. So I wanted to come up with a plan to stop NAV erosion. And the cash secure put offers that. See, I'm a professional stock trader. Since 2022, I retired from the 9-to-5 and became a professional stock trader. So I know how to sell premium and I'm very good at it. So why would I ever give my money to these high-yielding dividend-paying fund companies and let them manage? I mean, I'm lazy if I do that because I will do 13 to 15 trades selling premium in my main professional stock trading account, generating incredible amounts of profits. So why would I hand it over to somebody else, basically buying their time? See, when we give our money to dividend-paying funds, we're basically buying their time. They will take your money, and then they will work the trade, and then they will send you a dividend every single week. And you're in the hope and pray business because you have no control. You are literally just handing them your money, and you're hoping they give you a dividend for which will pay for your retirement. Now, I'm not in that game. I take control. I sell time by writing covered calls and selling puts, and I generate incredible amounts of cash flow. Why would I ever do that? Well, I had to slap myself around because I stopped that idea. Just like everybody else 2 years ago, I totally got caught up in the high-yielding dividend-paying fund phenomena that came out. They were paying $1 a share, 70 cents a share, and man, if you had 1,000 shares, you were making thousands of dollars a month. There were people out there that quit the 9-to-5 and put all their money into these things because they were generating 3 times what the 9-to-5 income was generating per month. And I'll tell you, I feel for them. I absolutely feel for them because many of those NAV eroded down. You know, if you had 300,000 in your account, some of them NAV eroded to where they're gone now. They're literally gone. Some of these funds just up and closed that particular ticker. So I wasn't going to be in that game. I watched my net worth absolutely just fall, and I was just disgusted. I felt horrible. I felt like a loser. So I was going to take control. And what I'm going to tell you is this before we get into this, because we're going to get into this now. When I sell Top W to generate the $28,000, so I had $28,000 invested in Top W. They're generating me this much money per month in dividends. Now, when I sell Top W, it's trading for $38.85. Right now, if you take a look at Top W, it's trading for $34.50. This thing is NAV eroding because every time it distributes a dividend, it cannot get back up above the price for which they distributed the dividend. Do you understand what NAV erosion is? Because if you don't, then you'll never get this. You will just watch your investments fall. You are literally the frog in the slowly boiling water because you think these things are going to turn around and head higher. They're not. Now, Top W does not sell premium. It's not like some of those high-yielding dividend-paying funds that sell premium, covered calls or puts or all that stuff. It's a little different. It uses swaps and it's making a bet on the stock market. And in fact, Top W doesn't even do any of that. It owns all of those single stock NAV eroding investments. So this thing suffers just from the overall market just not helping it. So Top W actually started out at 56, man, and people were literally putting all their money into this. And yeah, now it's 34. So I have to come up with a plan. So the plan was we're going to use the cash secure put. I'm very good at this, man. I'm a pro at this. So that's what we do. And what we do on March 27th is we take the money that Top W was invested and we run the numbers. What are the last 4 distributions by Top W? I want to make this fair and transparent because, look, I have a membership and I'm educating my members on this. They're in retirement. They want to come up with a relatively safe strategy. Now, if you're investing in Top P in your retirement and you feel like you're losing your entire nest egg. So I came up with a plan and I'm going to execute on the plan. So what I do is I figure out how much money Top P would have paid me over the past 4 weeks. Then we take that much money and we're going to do a cash secure put on one of my favorite indexes. Indexes, right? These indexes go sideways to higher. This is the Russell 2000. We're going to use TNA. The reason we're going to use TNA is because I can get higher premiums. And what we're going to do is a deep out of the money cash secure put. Now I'm going to show you right now the cash secure put strike I picked. So stick with me. So we started doing this. And what I would do is I'd run the calculations. If I did a cash secure put that basically mimicked Top W, and let's say we fast forward 4 weeks and this investment, TNA, does not get to my cash secure put strike price, which is going to be 56, and this trade ends above 56, what happens? You have to understand what a cash secure put is to understand this. A cash secure put is simply, I have the money to buy somebody's shares. Whether you're picking a stock, an index, doesn't matter. I have the money to buy somebody's shares. So I go out to the greater stock market and say, I am going to sell a cash secure put. I am going to put up the money to buy your shares of TNA at 56. Now, once somebody takes that offer, they're going to pay me a per share premium. That per share premium is the cash flow. And that cash flow, we're going to divide up 4 weeks, just like Top W would have paid me 4 weeks. Now, to make this fair, I used $28,000 for that cash secure put using TNA, using the 56 strike. The cash secure put allows me to place a trade 4 weeks out, pick a deep out of the money strike, and you're going to find that TNA is trading for $62.50. It literally has to fall $6.50 before I'm assigned. Now, we don't want to be assigned here because I just want my cash back and we do it again. Notice I've done this 9 times successfully, never having shares assigned to me. So there's your setup. Let's take a look at what this would pay me. Now, because I'm responsible, I pay the tax man. So in the case of Top W, I would have made $771. Now, I don't take out taxes there only because we don't know if it's going to be a return on investment. So we're just going to let that hang out there. We're going to say $771. That's what I need to make on this trade. So what do? I go ahead and I'm going to show you the cash secure put trade I did for TNA back on May 21st because it expires this week. And we're going to talk about the progression of this trade, okay? So let's take a look here. So I did 500 shares, which using the 56 strike, that would have been in and around $28,000 invested. I'm going to pick that 56 strike. This is where I would be assigned the shares if TNA were to fall. I'm going to get $2.20 per share. We're going to pick that 4-week expiration, June 18th. This is why I'm doing a video because it expires this week. I want to show you where I'm at. Let's go ahead and take a look at where this was trading at the time. So this is a chart of TNA back on May 21st. It was trading for $62.50. That's where it was trading. I went ahead and did the 56 out of the money strike. Now there's a reason I picked 56 there. I'm going to show you exactly why. So that's your trade. I get 10%, actually 10.4% in downside protection. Remember, this is a 3x leveraged ETF to the Russell. So if TNA has 10% of downside protection in this trade, well, the Russell has to fall about 3%. I'm comfortable with that trade because we get involved. It's literally at the Keltner channel bottom. Now, We're going to talk about the Keltner channel bottom here in a moment. But let's take a look at the write-up that we have for this trade. Now, in the description below is a 1 free month offer to my membership. I do this all the time because I want to generate cash flow in retirement, but I want to get all my money back. I don't want any NAV erosion. And the only way I believe that I can achieve this is doing deep out of the money cash secure puts. And I've done this successfully. This isn't something I just did yesterday and I'm telling you about it today. I have been doing cash secure puts for over 10 years. And I can't even believe that I got suckered into buying those high-yielding dividend-paying funds. Once I realized that the NAV erosion was killing these things, I should have bailed on those horrible tire fire investments. And I know a lot of people out there are saying, hey, man, I just do my work, I pay the money, and I drip invest, and I don't have NAV erosion. Well, of course, because every time they give you a dividend, you're buying equal amount of shares. So you can't live in retirement and do this and have your overall investment just tank. Can't do it. So come up with a strategy like I did where you get all your money back and you're making more money than the dividend paying fund would pay you. Hey, look, the dividend paying fund is knocking down all that money, taking your money and quite frankly, losing your money. Hey, you could say what you will, but these things have performed horribly. You go on YouTube right now and take a look at any of these hundreds, if not thousands of them. Yeah, you see about 3 of them that people will talk about. Why? Because they're the only ones that are successful. Everything else are dumpster fires and nobody talks about them anymore. Because, quite frankly, they feel defeated. They'll never get their money back. Well, hey, all I can say is I was there as well. So let's take a look at this trade just to finish this up. So let's go ahead and take a look at this write-up here. It's May 21st. This is going to expire June 18th. This is a 28-day trade. You understand why? I picked 4 weeks of a dividend-paying fund. I'm going to pick 4 weeks from a cash secure put. Okay? We're going to pick TNA. It's the 3X leveraged ETF to an index. That's very important. I love indexes. They're diversified. I don't have to spend a nickel vetting any of the stocks in the Russell 2000. So we do this to generate that cash on cash, and I pick a strike price for which I'm highly favorable I will not be assigned. Notice, I picked the 56 strike when it's trading for 62. We are not picking the 62 strike because notice this thing moves and it falls as low as 58 during this time frame. Now, we get lucky and the markets are rallying higher, but you cannot expect that. And I didn't. That's why I picked the 56 strike. You can't get greedy here. Here it is. On May 21st, it's trading for $62.50. I picked the 56 strike. I'm going to lay out about $28,000. I get $2.20 per share for this trade. That's going to be $1,100. Remember, I pay the tax man, so I don't make $1,100. I make $825. See, the premium is going to pay me $275 per week. That's going to equal $1,100. But I pay the tax man because I'm responsible. This is my spendable money. $825, that's basically plus $50 over what Top W would have paid me. And here is the deal. Let's bring in the chart here and show you where Top W is currently trading. There is your trade. Let's go back to May 21st. Oh, there it is. It's trading for $38.90. Now look at where it's trading. That bad boy is both NAV erosion and, of course, the market has had some incredibly down days. Look, this thing is not going to come back. Look at the stock market has raged back. We've had, of the past 3 days, we've had something like 1,000 points back. Look at this. This thing falls from way up here all the way to 34, and it's only recovered to 34.80. I'll tell you, this is one of the most heartbreaking things when it comes to these dividend-paying funds. People actually believe that they were going to get rich. They quit their jobs It's because of this dividend. They pay weekly dividends of 28 cents, 24 cents, 29 cents. And I'll tell you, that got a lot of people who really didn't know the stock market to make very bad decisions. And look, we can go down the list, whether you want to talk about Top W or any of the single stocks that have broke people because not only did they fall from where they bought, they fell such that they reverse split them and they've fallen back to those lows again. It's actually a very sad story. You want to know why? Because those people, and trust me, I was one of these people that got baited into buying these things. They're sitting there trying to explain to their family how they lost all this money. And it's hard for them to explain it because people don't understand this stuff. And maybe even the guy that's explaining it to his family doesn't understand. See, this is why I'm showing you the cash secure put. This is why I come back week after week and try to educate things that we have control. See, I have control of this cash secure put. I'm not just sending it to the Top W guys and saying, hey, make me something and hope and pray that my investment stays whole. It hasn't and it won't. I want you to learn how to use the cash secure put for income. It's nothing, it's no hocus pocus here. This has been here for years and years and years. And I'll tell you what, a lot of people use the cash secure put to generate cash flow. And yes, you're going to pay a little bit more in taxes, but at the end of the day, you make more. You make more. And here's the thing. You are in control. See, when you give your money to these funds, you're in the hope and pray business. And I'll tell you what, they haven't done a good job. They haven't been good stewards of your money. We are in control. We use the cash secure put. We talk about the 3 key elements to becoming a successful options seller. We're selling premium. And when you sell premium, you have success. You have greater success. I sell the cash secure put, the stock goes higher. I'm not assigned the shares. I get all my money back. 0 NAV erosion. The ETF were to fall below my strike price and I'm assigned the shares. That could be an unfavorable position, but quite frankly, if you are a cash secure put seller, you understand that when TNA falls from 62.50 down to 56, look, it hasn't touched that bottom of the Keltner channel since March 27th. So if you learn how to read charts like I show my members, at the membership, I have an entire masterclass on chart reading. We only use 2 indicators. 2. That's it. And one of them is the Keltner channel. And I show you that I use the Keltner channel with every single trade setup. Join the membership. 1 free month offer. I want you to learn how to use the cash secure put for income so you can take control. You can get all your money back, no NAV erosion, and still make the cash flow if you do trades like we do. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it right there. The cash secure put for income has saved my account. Why? I don't have NAV erosion anymore because this is what I do. Since March, we've done 9 of these and every single one has ended with 0 NAV erosion. I know for a fact if you're listening to this video and you do not have some of those semiconductor high yielding dividend paying funds, yeah, chances are you've experienced NAV erosion. I don't want that anymore. It's the cash secure put for income trade. And at the membership, I do them all the time. Hey, look, in the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.